We got an iPhone 6S Plus with Wi-Fi not working issue. To check, go to Settings. Open Wi-Fi. Tap Wi-Fi toggle on, but unfortunately, this option is grayed out. If this happens to you, what is the solution for the issues I mentioned in the video? Below, tap on General. Tap on About. Scroll down. Here you can see Wi-Fi address is not available. Bluetooth also failed to discover device, which means there are some hardware issues present on the iPhone. Let's fix it. Power off iPhone. Disconnect LCD carefully. The customer tells us that the Wi-Fi option is disabled automatically. Sometimes Wi-Fi option is enabled too. If connected, then no Wi-Fi data works and the battery also drains fast. These are the problems that you commonly face in such cases. Let's observe the PCB status. Looks fine. Somebody already tried to fix it by trying grinding the Wi-Fi module. Some cases that process works, but in most of the cases you have to replace Wi-Fi module. Let's remove the Wi-Fi module. Remove epoxy resin carefully. If forced, then small parts are broken or removed. This may create more problems later, so be careful. iPhone 6s have quite a difficulty. In that case, there is EEPROM. If broken or damaged, result in the iPhone restart on the Apple logo. Remove Wi-Fi module carefully. Force may damage the pin below Wi-Fi chip. After removing the Wi-Fi module, clean rosin carefully. All pins must be flat and shiny. Now here you can see all pin looks good. Let's unbind Wi-Fi module. If you change Wi-Fi module from iPhone 6s to off, you need to unbind Wi-Fi from Nand. Now throw the old Wi-Fi chip. I am here using the new Wi-Fi module. Let's put some flux. Place the Wi-Fi module in the right position. Wait for the PCB to cool down for 5 minutes. Now check whether the problem was fixed or not. Here you can see un-tappable Wi-Fi option is turned on, means the problem was fixed. If you face such a problem, then the solution is the replacement of the new Wi-Fi chip. That's it for today. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below.